Wednesday. I thought I would jump on here before I started work just to finish the rest of my makeup and do a little review on the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Star highlighter, which looks like this. Okay, so this is their limited edition highlighter. It costs £35 on the Charlotte Tilbury website. I got it from Cult Beauty because they sent me a 15% off discount code because it's my birthday month, so they sent me a discount code, which is so lovely. So let's just get into it. So this is what the packaging looks like, which I think is so lovely. It's really reflective, especially off my laptop. And then this is what the actual highlighter is like. It's so pretty. I'm loving it. I think it's gorgeous. So I thought I'd apply this today and show you what it looks like on, and then I'll just apply the rest of my makeup, which is just blusher, and I'll just re-top up my lipstick. I'll link in the description box exactly where you can buy this highlighter as well if it's any good. On the back of the box it says, apply wet or dry to illuminate and enhance cheekbones, temples, cupid's bow and decolletage. Don't know if I can pronounce that correctly. I'll put it on the screen. So that is what we're going to do. I'm going to apply it dry. I don't think I'll ever apply it wet, but there we are. I'm just going to bring you forward and zoom in so you can see, because the lighting's not that great in here at the moment. So apologies for that. I haven't got my ring light because it's upstairs and I don't like to bring it down. So I'm just going to apply, first of all, my blusher. Actually, no, let's go straight into this. So let's apply the highlighter. I've never used this, so this is my first impression. I'm just going to go in with my Brush Junkie highlighter brush, and I'm just going to pack that on the brush. It's very golden, which obviously it suits my skin tone so well when it's really golden. It comes on really nice. There's like a slight shimmer to it, but it's not like too intense, and it's buildable. Look at that, that's stunning. You can hardly see it on this side, and I think it's because of the lighting, but that's really nice. So lovely. That is just insane. Put on my nose. I'm going to pick up my new car today, so I'm so excited. Today's going to be hopefully a good day. That is lovely. Look at that. It makes me look so like I've got a dewy nose. So Cupid's bow. Oh, I'm obsessed. That's so lovely. Let's put it in let's just put it everywhere. Let's bathe in it. It's just a really nice colour. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Yeah, love it. I'm just going to apply my blusher, and I'm just going to go in with Poppy Girl by Nude Sticks. This is a dewy blusher. I've really kind of got into wearing like cream blushes, so I think they add a lot of, especially as you get older, they add a lot of more dewiness and hydration to your skin. So I'm kind of obsessed. Right, let's add a bit more highlighter on, because bring it into my cheeks a little bit here. That is amazing. So if you can see that lovely shine, hopefully that picks up on camera, but it's so lovely. I just feel like I need to show you by putting my flash on. If you can see that, I've just got to put my flash on because my lighting's not that great, but it's just so beautiful. It just hits the light really, really well. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that is my first impressions of the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. I think it's stunning. The packaging's really nice. I just think it's like very sleek. It's very Charlotte Tilbury. But the product is just insane. The colour's really beautiful. I think it's buildable. That's what's lovely about it. You can have like a natural dewy glow, or you can really make it pop and kind of pack it on. And it's really just dependent on what look you want to achieve. I just think it's lovely and goes on so well, and it mixes really nicely with other makeup. It sits nicely on top of other makeup. I'm not, oh, hello plant. I'm not surprised. Obviously Charlotte Tilbury products are usually fantastic. I think there's only ever been an odd few that I've not liked. But yeah, that's beautiful. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Well done, Charlotte Tilbury. And it's limited edition, so I don't know how long it's going to be on their website. So I will link it below for you if you're interested in buying it. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And I will see you next time. Bye.